Fifth section, primary and secondary groups. Primary groups. Definition. The primary group is the nucleus of all social organization. It is a small group in which small number of persons come into direct contact with one another. They meet face to face for mutual help, companionship, and discussion of common questions. Example, family is a primary group. Look at these pictures. Characteristics of primary group. First character is a physical proximity, means physically so close. Second character, small size, the number of members is less than secondary groups. Third, stability. Fourth, similarity of background. Fifth, limited self-interest. Sixth, shared interest. Importance of primary group to individual. First important, spontaneous or unplanned living. Second, provision of stimulus, which means the members mutually motivate. Third, united in process. Importance of primary groups for the society. First, authority. Second, compromise. Third, enumeration. Orderly listing of all the people in the society. Fourth, integration. The secondary groups. Define secondary groups. The groups which provide experience lacking in intimacy or suggestion are called secondary groups, according to Ogburn. Characteristics of secondary group. First character, formal and informal relations. Second, large in size. The members are more than primary groups. Third, membership is not compulsory. Fourth, active and inactive members. Fifth, relations, indirect means. Sixth, formal rules. Seventh, status depends on his or her role. Eighth, goal oriented. Organization of secondary group. First, federative principle. Second, the principle of official responsibility. Importance of secondary groups. First, efficiency. Second, opportunity. Third, wider outlook. Difference between primary group and secondary group. Primary is small, secondary is very large. Primary close, face to face. Secondary distance. Primary limited to small area. secondary spread in large area. Primary informal and spontaneous, but secondary formal and artificial. Primary whole person involves, but secondary only limited persons involves. Primary is long lasting, but secondary is temporary. Primary groups have blood relations, but secondary groups not blood relations. Primary groups are internal control, but secondary groups are controlled by external. Primary groups deep we feeling, but secondary group having less we feeling. Thank you. Have a nice day.